You are going to love the 2019 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, bed liner, chrome wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.